message is about the heart. The heart is deceitful above all things and desperately wicked. Who can know it? Now, on that point, a lot of you are out there sinning, saying only God can judge me, which He will. Believe me, He will. And you're also saying, well, only God knows my heart. Well, I just read to you what God says about the heart. It's wicked and deceitful. And the world is always saying, follow your heart. Nah, you better follow your mind, because a saved mind will lead you in the right direction. That message was recorded from Jeremiah chapter 17, verse 9 in the King James Version Bible.